Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, who knows our secrets of our hearts. What He sees cannot be seen. What is created cannot be created. Assalamu alaikum to all my followers and my listeners. Let me introduce myself. It's Hakim Khan, son of Muhammad Isa Legari, student of class metric from IPS 1. नापूछ ज़माने से हमारी क्या कहानी है, नापूछ ज़माने से हमारी क्या कहानी है, पहचान तो बस ये है कि हम पाकिस्तानी हैं. Today we are gathered for celebrate the Independence Day of Pakistan. We got Pakistan from many hardships. We got Pakistan from from our leaders like Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. I will take my seat after delivering my poetry. हम अपनी सांसें तेरे नाम करते हैं, हम अपनी सांसें तेरे नाम करते हैं, ए वतन तेरी अजमत को हम सलाम करते हैं. थैंक यू ऑल. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.